Got it. Got it. That's about it for the MG today, folks. That's all I'm going to be able to muster. Okie dokie. Squirters and windshield wipers on. Great in. I bought a pair and I had a pair, so between the two I got them on. These are the moldings. And this is the one for around the hood. And I am not going to try that right now. Probably wouldn't hurt to lay it out. I don't know how much fun this is going to be anyway. Now this one's not too bad. I'll just lay it out because I can't do it right now till my back settles down a little bit more. That'll finish up the front. And I'll take you back to the back real quick. These are the doors. I want to put some Gorilla Tape over all these openings. There's no reason to have that noise resonating up through there. If I can muffle it off. Here's the back. All dressed. A little bit at a time is all I can do with my back. I did all this sitting down because I had this done previously. So I just sat there and did all that. And you saw what little bit I could do today. I'll try a little bit more later if my back feels better. So, like, subscribe, hang in there. If you got a project, get your build on. Get it done. We're going to do some more measuring on the rat rod. Some things have made some changes, so I've got to do some things. And I need to cannibalize that pickup truck and get it out of the driveway. Right now, I need the headlights, radiator core support, tail lights or marker lights or turn signals out of that front bumper. Naturally, the wheels and tires. I'll get a set of rollers for the front of this at the junkyard, and I'll move it in position for the wrecker to snatch it real easy. We're going to pull the rear axle, mainly because I want the 4-link. I'll buy the new brackets, but I want the 4-link and the bags out from underneath it. Okay. And then I want the seats, the accelerator pedal, the alternator and power steering unit, and the power steering gearbox. All that stuff is going on to Brittany. I'll make a list to make sure I get everything off. and they can just back up and drag it up on their deck and take it. I'll get some rollers for the front. I need to clear this stuff out. And that's it, folks.